Missing scheduled posts in Meta Business Suite is a frustrating but common issue affecting many businesses. Today, we'll identify the main problems and walk through immediate solutions to get your content back on track. The most common symptoms include scheduled posts vanishing from your calendar view, posts failing to publish at their designated times, the calendar interface not loading correctly, and synchronization problems between Facebook and Instagram accounts. These issues typically stem from four main root causes: browser cache and cookie conflicts, account permission mismatches, API synchronization delays between Meta's servers, and interference from third-party browser extensions or apps. Start with these 5 immediate Tier 1 solutions. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This resolves most scheduling issues. The image shows how to do this on mobile devices by selecting the appropriate time range and data types. Next, disable browser extensions that might interfere with Meta's interface. Try switching between the mobile app and desktop version, log out completely and log back in, and ensure your internet connection is stable throughout the process. If Tier 1 solutions don't resolve the issue, move to Tier 2 intermediate fixes. Access your page settings through the Meta Business Suite menu to verify admin permissions and review your account structure. Pay special attention to reconnecting your Instagram account, as shown in this connection diagram. This often resolves cross-platform synchronization issues. Also check for any pending policy violations that might be blocking your scheduled content. These systematic troubleshooting approaches resolve 85% of scheduling issues. Meta has been implementing back-end improvements throughout 2024, though intermittent problems may still occur. Most issues can be resolved within 2 to 4 hours using these methods. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve Meta Business Suite scheduling issues, advanced techniques become necessary. These methods address deeper system conflicts and account configuration problems. These advanced steps target the root causes of persistent scheduling failures. Resetting preferences clears corrupted settings, while recreating connections resolves API synchronization issues. Prevention is more effective than reactive troubleshooting. Implementing systematic preventive measures significantly reduces the likelihood of scheduling failures and ensures business continuity. Backup scheduling platforms provide essential redundancy. Industry leaders like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social offer reliable alternatives when Meta Business Suite experiences issues. Successful social media management requires systematic best practices. Double-checking scheduled posts 24 hours before publication catches potential issues early, while training multiple team members ensures continuity during emergencies. When scheduling failures occur, having established emergency protocols minimizes business impact. Quick diagnostic checklists enable rapid issue identification, while clear escalation procedures ensure timely resolution. Industry data demonstrates the effectiveness of systematic approaches to Meta Business Suite issues. A comprehensive troubleshooting methodology achieves an 89% success rate in resolving scheduling problems. These statistics reinforce the importance of maintaining backup scheduling platforms and implementing systematic troubleshooting procedures. Businesses that follow these practices experience significantly higher reliability in their social media operations.